बच्चों आज हम देखेंगे ICH-GCP का 12th प्रिंसिपल। Investigational product should be manufactured, handled and stored in accordance with applicable good manufacturing practice. They should be used in accordance with the approved protocol. Investigational product or IP is a pharmaceutical form of an active ingredient. It may be placebo being tested or used as a reference in a clinical trial. It may be marketed product used as a reference in clinical trial. Uses about storage of investigational product should be mentioned in the approved protocol. All stakeholders should have to follow all instructions given in a protocol for handling the investigational product. Good manufacturing practice regulation promulgated by the US Food and Drug Administration. It is a system for ensuring that products or drugs are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. And this is the 12th principle of ICH-GCP and their explanation.